5. Burning camping stoves you can get from Amazon. Number 1. BioLite Camp Stove to wood burning, electricity generating and USB charging camp stove. Number 2. Solo Stove Mesa Tabletop Fire Pit with Stand, Low Smoke Outdoor Mini Fire for urban and suburbs, fueled by pellets or wood, safe burning, stainless steel, with travel bag, 6.9 x 5.1 in, 1 point for pounds, bone. Number 3. Canway Camping Stove, wood stove or backpacking survival stove, windproof anti-slip portable stainless steel wood-burning stove with nylon carry bag for outdoor backpacking, hiking, traveling, picnic, BBQ. Number 4. Camping Stove Wood, Ohuhu Mini Camping Stove Solo Stove Stainless Steel Backpacking Wood Stove Portable Small Burning Stoves Fire for Picnic BBQ Camp Hiking with Grill Grid. Number 5. EcoZoom Rocket Stove Portable Camp Stove for backpacking. Thanks for watching. Click the description to get links to items.